Wednesday, November 1st. All Saints. Focus. Blessed are you when others revile you and persecute you, for so they persecuted the prophets who were before you. After a prayer meeting or retreat, many of us are on fire for the Lord. Filled with zeal, we make a commitment to follow Christ and His teachings. Over a period of time, however, the initial fervor wanes and we settle back into a lukewarm faith. If we look closely at today's Gospel, the Beatitudes are an invitation to live life in a way that is countercultural. Discipleship comes with a cost. It requires us to make sacrifices for the greater glory of God and the good of others. This can only happen if we invest in our relationship with God through His Word, prayer, and the sacraments. Love is then the natural outcome. Otherwise, faith is more of an obligation than a call of love. In this faith journey, we have many reliable role models in the saints. They demonstrated awe-inspiring faith and brought about radical changes in the world. They suffered rejection and persecution and thus washed their robes and made them white in the blood of the Lamb. If not in the unique way of the saints, we are called to at least follow Jesus with similar trust and abandonment to His will, instead of pursuing our own designs. Fruit. By closely imitating a saint of my choice, I can live out my vocation as a disciple of Christ.